Hello everyone, this is TJ's Budget Life, and I am TJ. I'm just popping on real quick to do a little small um, cash stuffing. But if you like this video and you stay to the end, just go ahead and hit like. And if you wish to subscribe and follow me on my budgeting journey, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Then ring the bell one more time, just so that you can see a new video every time I post one. So let's just go ahead and jump right on in. Like I said, this is going to be a very small cash stuffing. So, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and start with my rent. And today I will be putting in $90. So let's just go ahead and get into my rent envelope. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 80, 85, 90. So I'm adding 90, and I already have 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have 120. So that's going to give me a total of 210. So, oops. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out these 5s and put another 20 in here. So I should have 210, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10. So 210. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. And then I'm just going to go over here real quick to this envelope, envelope here. And I'm going to add 25 for Christmas. And that's going to give me, I already have 300 in here. So that's going to give me a total of, let me see, I got 300 plus 25, 325. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 3, and I'm going to add 25, so it's going to have to be in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So $325 for Christmas. And I'm almost at my goal for that. I'll update my trackers later. Oops. Alright, go ahead and put that in there. Alright, so let's see here. And then for his envelope, I'm just going to add 5 to his. He did spend 20 of his, so he was left with 10. So now he's going to have 15. 15. And I think that's all I'm going to put in this one. So that one is completed. And then next, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The rest of my, like, far as like my grocery. Okay, I already have something in beauty, so I'm not putting anything in beauty. My grocery is still on my my debit card, so I'm not going to worry about this. Household, I'm going to add 5 because I did spend some of that, so I'm going to add $5 back to household. Okay, and I'm gonna be going back and forth because it's just been kind of crazy this week. So personal is supposed to get 16, 5, 10, 15, 16. So I'm adding 16 to personal, and I don't have anything in there right now. Basically, we had to spend a lot of money out of my envelope, so it's what it is. So 16 in the personal. I'm not putting anything in for holidays. Eating out. Bless me. I'm not putting anything in miscellaneous or fun. Okay, so now that means I have to move over to my sinking funds. Okay. So sinking funds, emergency is going to get 5. And I think I already have like $10 in here. Yep. So now sinking funds is going to have 15. Not doing my grandkids. Home is going to get 20. And I have 130 in here already. 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's going to give me a total of 150. 1, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 150 in home. Medical, I had to buy some allergy medicine, so I'm just going to put 5 back into medical. Okay, home, got 20, putting 5 back into medical. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, vacation is going to get 5. And that's going to give me a total of 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Retirement is going to get 5. And that's going to give me a total of, it should be 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So retirement has 45. I'm telling you, this budgeting thing, sometimes you just have to work around, you know, what you have. But I really want to make sure that I have money into my sinking funds. So next, I am going to add 5 to tech. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Into, what did I say? Tech. So that's going to give me a total of 25 in tech. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm only going to have $4 left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it into my dollar challenge. So and I'll add 4. I did not receive my child support payment. So that's what I kind of was counting on it. Since I didn't get it, I had to make adjustments to my cash stuffing. Alright, so that's in there. Okay. So that'll be all for now. I do have change, but I didn't bring my wallet in here with me, so I'm not going to leave out. I'm just going to go ahead and total these amounts up. It should be okay, let's just find out, because I can't remember how much I said it should be. So okay, so 111 into my everyday envelopes. Double check. Okay, 111. Then, so I'm going to put that here. My sinking funds 40. Okay, and challenges envelope 34, which is going to give me a total of 185. Okay, 185 this week. If I do happen to get any extra money, I will fill in the ones that I didn't do. And just so I can make sure I have something in each envelope. But that was all. I just wanted to pop on real quick. If you stay to the end, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And like I said earlier in the video, if you wish to subscribe, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, then ring the bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. And don't forget to hit the like, and if you have any comments or suggestions, just feel free to go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. Thanks again, guys. Peace.